Hello everybody, welcome to your channel Learn with Smile by Disha. So in the previous video we had learned how can we represent fractions on number line, right? So representing fractions on number line was easy for us as we have already learned how to represent whole numbers, integers and etc. on number line, right? So yesterday we had learned how to represent fractions on number line. Today we are going to learn how to add fractions on number line, right? That is addition of fractions on number line. So how will we add fractions on number line? This will be a different topic than addition of fractions. Okay, so let us see. First we will learn means how to add like fractions on number line. We are going to learn first. Then we are going to learn how to add unlike fractions. So first we are going to learn how to add like fractions on number line, right? And first example is number 1 is 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6. We have to find out the answer. Now you see, representing fractions on number line we have already learned. So first we are going to follow all the rules. And again we are adding like fractions. That is why it is very easy for us, means it's not hard. Because if it were unlike fractions, yes, we need to do something. Some methods we need to follow. But like fraction, same denominator, no problem. First we are going to divide. Means first let me give a point. That is here I'll give 0. Here I'll give the point 1. This we have to give on number line, and we have already learned how to draw a number line, so no problem. And we are going to represent 0 and 1. Now after this what we will do, you have learned how to represent fractions on number line. When we need to represent a fraction or many fractions, then what we do, we are going to divide the number lines into that intervals of the denominator. So 6 is the denominator. We are going to divide this 0 to 1 with 6 intervals, right? So let us divide this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So first let us represent all the answers. That is 1 by 6. It is given 6 intervals. Start with like that. 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, or 1, that is 6 by 6. 1 is also 6 by 6, right? So this much we have. Okay. Now what are we going to do next? Next we are going to add these both numerators. First is given 1 by 6. So first let us see the point where 1 by 6 is. This is the point. Now this is the starting of 1 by 6. Now we are going to add 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6, means 2 steps from 1, right? So 2 steps from 1 by 6 gives us 3 by 6. Because in numerator, means in these fractions all the denominators are same, so we don't need to trouble. We are going to first see the numerators. If we add 1 plus 2, that gives us 3, and 6 is 6, so that's why 3 by 6. If we add 1 by 6 and and go for the 2 more steps, that is 2 by 6, if we add, then what are we going to get the answer? We are going to get the answer as 3 by 6. So that is 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6 is equal to 3 by 6. Okay, easy, nothing hard. Next one is how to add unlike fractions on number line. We have just now learned how to add like fractions. Let us see how to add unlike fractions. Okay, here we can see 2 fractions are given, that is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. In these fractions, what we need to do is we need to follow a method. That is, first what we need to see that the denominators are different. So you will surely think that it is hard. What will we do plus what will we not? We have learned how to add unlike fractions, right? We will take out the LCM and do then all the following steps. So here also we are going to do the same. Here first step, when we need to represent unlike fractions on number line addition, what we will do, the first step is we need to take out the LCM of the denominators. That is, right now we need to take out the LCM of denominators 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are denominators over here. We are going to take out the LCM of both these denominators. Then what we will do, we are going to see 3 by 4, you all know what is the LCM. Here if we take 3, then 3 we are going to take, and 4 is given here. Then 4 goes with 4. Straightly taken this. I am strictly following the steps instead of adding 2 and that. Okay. So therefore our LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is equal to how much? 12. So right now the LCM we are getting is 12. So let us write here 12. 12. Next step, what are we going to do? we are going to do is the same we do with unlike fractions. 12 is the LCM. We are going to divide the LCM with the first fraction's denominator, that is 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 12 here, then 12 again this fraction's denominator. 12 by 4, that is 3. 3 into 1, that is 3 we get. So the answer we are getting now is 4 by 12 plus 3 by 12 or 4 plus 3 by 12. Okay, this much we need to do. Now we have got this much, 4 by 12, that is 4 by 12 plus 3 by 12. How will we represent these both fractions in number line? In these cases, we can see the denominator is 12. So we are going to take here first 0. Let us give here 1. So first we are going to divide from 0 to 1. We are going to divide this into 12 intervals, 12 steps. Okay, 12 steps because the denominator is also 12. So let us do it. This will be 1 by 12. This will be 2 by 12. This will be 3 by 12. This will be 4 by 12. This will be 5 by 12. This will be 6 by 12. This will be 7 by 12. This will be 8 by 12. This will be 9 by 12. This will be 10 by 12. And this one will be 11 by 12. And the next one, 1, that is 12 by 12. Right. This much. Now we have got all the intervals we have done. Now next what we have done is we have right now converted these 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 into like fractions, right? Now we have already learned how to add like fractions on number line. Same we are going to do here. 0 to 4, right? 4. First 4 by 12 we are going to add 4 by 12 plus 3 by 12. Means now we are going to take 3 steps right to 4 by 12. That is 4 by 12, 3 steps gives us this 7 by 12. Okay, 4 by 12 plus 3 steps further gives us 7 by 12. Right. So right now 4 plus 3 by 12 or 4 by 12 plus 3 by 12 gives us 7 by 12. This is the answer. Hence 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 7 by 12. This is our answer. In these addition unlike fractions, we just need to do one thing, that is we need to first take out the LCMs, that means denominator of the LCM of the both denominators, or how many fractions are there. Then what are we going to do? How we add fractions, the same we are going to do. We are going to convert them to like fractions, and then how much numerator and denominator is there, we are going to equally write all here, and then we are going to add how we add, we are going to add how usual we add like fractions. This much we have to do. Okay, so today we have learned how to add like and unlike fractions on number line. In the next video we are going to learn how to subtract like and unlike fractions on number line. So thank you for watching. If you liked our video, then surely hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt or query, then you can comment us in the comment section, and if you have if you liked the video, then you can share our video with your friends, relatives, family members. So thank you for watching.